Add Team Members option in the Launchpad is quick and easy. Click it, then once on the team management page, click the Add New Team Member button. Fill out the required fields, including the team member's name, email address, and their role or access level. After filling out the details, click Save to send an invitation to the team member's email address. They'll receive an email with a link to join your NiceApp.ai account. Once the team member accepts the invitation, they'll appear in your team list. You can edit their access level, decide what they can or cannot see within the software depending on their role, or remove them anytime directly from the team management page. Need help with adding team members or managing roles? Book a demo call with one of our experts for a guided walkthrough of team management.